3 reasons why the XRP price could fall 25 to 30% in March. A combination of technical and fundamental factors as well as social media sentiment signal a possible XRP decline. The XRP price could fall by over 25% in the coming weeks. This is due to a multi-month bearish constellation and concerns regarding excessive XRP supply. XRP has been consolidating within a falling triangle pattern since it reached $1.98 in April 2021, its second highest level ever. In the process, the XRP/USD pair has posted a series of lower highs on its upper trendline while finding solid support at 55 cents, as seen in the chart. In the week ending March 13, XRP price retested resistance at the triangle's upper trendline. This raised concerns that the coin could see another decline to the support trendline at around 0.55. That would be a decline of between 25% and 30%. This pessimistic forecast is strengthened by further bearish catalysts that formed around the triangle resistance. A bearish hammer formed on the XRP chart on March 12. That a candlestick pattern with a small body and a long wick to the upside. This signals less buying pressure near the previous weekly high at around 85 cents. It also turned lower after testing resistance at the 20-week EMA green wave and the 50-week EMA red wave. This was particularly difficult because they were also converging, as can be seen in the picture below. Other negative signals for XRP also emerged. Ripple Labs recently locked up 800 million XRP in escrow as part of its programmed payout schedule. The blockchain payments company transferred about 100 million XRP worth nearly $40 million to exchange wallets on March 3. Meanwhile, the remaining 700 million XRP, worth about $550 million, are being held in escrow. At least 200 million XRP is expected to flow into the market to fund Ripple's operating costs and to distribute XRP to Ripple customers worldwide. Yet another catalyst signals that the XRP price could fall 25% to 30%, namely an indicator from Santiment that tracks social media trends and their impact on market trends. According to Santiment, the XRP price increased by more than 15% by March 12. At the same time, there was a sharp increase in terms of social media searches for the hashtag XRP network. This suggests that a possible sell-off could be imminent. Excerpts. In the past, our social trends have shown that when people make hashtag XRP network a top topic, it's a good time to take profits. So much for Ripple. How do you see Ripple developing? Do you own any? Write us your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe us to be always up to date. See you next time and have a nice day.